Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video, I am going to give you some tips and hints and material lists for this current video series, which is for a beaded curtain. We will be creating this, which of course can be repeated over and over to any length that you might want to make a beaded curtain for. The recommended material is the transparent plastic faceted beads. This is because of the size and weight of the beads are actually very good for creating large curtains. With the faceted beads, I like to use monofilament fishing line, so those are the two things I will be recommending in this video. The beads that I use I get from Bullock's Craft Supplies. This is their website. I order by mail because the con to this company is that they don't have a very good online ordering system, but the pro is they have a very good selection of the 4mm faceted beads, and so I always go to them for my plastic faceted beads. For this piece, this is the color count. The 12-inch top is what we have here, and then the strands, 12 inches, and then of course depending on what size you'll need, you want to multiply this for the size that you're going for. And this one I'm going to leave up so that you can see it throughout the video. Like I said, the string I prefer is the monofilament fishing line. I use the Stern High Impact, which is available at Amazon and at Walmart, so it's easy to find. Now for the weight of the fishing line, I use between 12 and 20 pounds. For a small curtain, the 12-pound is plenty, but if you're going to make a very large curtain, like maybe 8 feet long, you might want to use for the top section the 20-pound, and then you can get lighter as you go down. And the reason I would recommend getting lighter as you go down is with the monofilament, it does tend to curl. Now the curling is somewhat easy to take care of. You just rub your, gotta do it from the other direction. Rub it between your fingers and it straightens out. Also, the weight will straighten it out, but the lighter the poundage, the quicker it will straighten out. So for the lower section, I recommend the lighter weight because it won't have as much weight on the string, and therefore you want a lighter weight so it will uncurl quicker. Now, it doesn't curl too badly. The top curls more because of the fact that it's done slightly differently. The strand itself does not curl as badly, so if you use the 12 pound towards the bottom, you might not even notice the curling at all. And then I also recommend, when you are making your curtain, that you do it in pieces. I recommend either the 12, which is this, or if you want a little bit longer piece, you feel you can work with longer pieces, you can do 24, but I wouldn't recommend any larger than that. And then what you do is when you have multiples, you just butt them up next to each other on the rod, and then that'll work to make it easier for you to handle the larger curtains, and you'll still be able to repeat it easily. So I hope to see you in the next video where we will begin actually creating the curtain, and I look forward to working with you. Happy beading!